What's up, guys? I'm headed over to the car meet, to Pavilions. Pavilions is probably the biggest car meet that we have every single week at Arizona. Definitely the most well-known, most consistent, arguably the best car meet we have. So I'm headed over there. My buddies were supposed to meet up with me, but I haven't heard from anybody. And it's getting time to go, and I don't want to miss it. So I'm just gonna head over, and they can meet me over there if they want to mob on over. So, all right. I didn't have time to do a full cleaning of Gypsy, but honestly, she's not bad at all. Got my camera bag. I think I have pretty much everything I need. I lost my shade cover in the storm. It sucks. The whole thing blew down. And let's go grab the car. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, so I am super stoked. I'm getting my car ready. I need to fire up my dash command and clear out these codes. So I'm actually going to do that right now. I'll show you guys while I'm doing it. It's pretty sweet. Dash command will hook up via my Bluetooth. Connecting. There we go. Diagnostics. Read codes. Clear codes. Look at that. Codes are off. Good to go. Easy. Gauges. Alright. That one maxed out at 447 the other day. I'll show you guys the pic for it. Pretty sweet. I was pretty impressed. That's definitely the highest I've ever seen the horsepower gauge go. I was maxing out like 350. I got a picture of it too, because I know that nobody would believe it if I just told you guys this thing clears out after trips and resets. But don't you guys worry, I got pictures of it. I peaked, so I set up that gauge so that it takes the torque gauge and the horsepower gauge, and it saves the high numbers that it hits on the bottom right. So as high as they go, it'll hit, and then it'll save instead of going back down like they do. So those ones are giving me my current horsepower and torque, and then the third gauge on the bottom right there is going to give me my the peaks that it hit. So I peaked at 447 horsepower, 350 pound-feet of torque, and I got the proof. I got the picture of it too. I always get hated on for power. Basically, I always get so many nasty comments, but this time I got the evidence to back it up. All right, let's go. That hit 370. Yeah, look at that. Just a little jaunt right there. Nothing too much. We hit just about 350 torque too. Jeez. I'm trying to focus. Green light. Alright, I'll keep filming once we get there. I'm out here at Pavilions. Gypsy's super dirty, honestly. I didn't have time to go get her washed. That came straight from work, but still looks good. Hey dude, what's up? You hella late. I thought that 335 was supposed to be quick.
Didn't you see my snap? It was like 120 all the way here.
Dude, check out this camera I got some pics.
You did?
Yeah. That's what I love about out here. You got everything. Literally like full range. Look at that. It's so cool. How much work you put into wiring all that up? This guy said front bumper. Nah. It was a C63. It's always good in the winter too. It's always more busy. Look at that. It's actually pretty cool little Miata. Great. That's 2000. Man, those always look so good. Too bad they're like really hard to pick up.
Exactly 41 years and I'm done. I'm just like, oh.
I haven't been here a while. I actually see a bunch of cars that I haven't seen before, so it's pretty cool. I'm glad I came over tonight. Dude, check out his rims on this Beamer, honestly. Look at this. He's got the same idea as me with the black roof, white body. Great minds think alike. Looks like my buddy's Aaron's S4. He's not here right now, so. There we go. Look at that. It's clean. So we're just waiting on Gabe because Gabe's coming over, but having that kid life he slept through when we were supposed to leave, so yeah. So we're just waiting on that guy. Once he's here, we're good to go. See that wrap on the GTR? I swear I've seen that before. I swear I see half of these are on campus actually.
I thought you meant this. Like, no, that's cool.
I always loved CRXs, honestly. I tried to buy a CRX for so long, couldn't find one that was clean enough. They were all messed with, but always loved them. It's a good looking car, look at that. Cadillac. I've seen this guy before. Wagon too. This looks so good. Alright, it's time to go, unfortunately. I actually gotta go submit a bunch of homework to do for a class, online class, so I gotta take off, but a ton of fun, as always.